Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Live Well with Coach P. And today we're making chunky guacamole with a surprise side. I'm going to give you guys 3 seconds to guess what is this mystery side that we're making with this guacamole. Alright, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. And if you guys answered breadfruit, you are correct. Now for those who don't know what a breadfruit is a tropical fruit that grows hence in the tropics. All right, it can be eaten in its really ripe state as a fruit, or you can use it as some sort of starchy vegetable because it's high in starch. And that's what I'm doing today because I'm using this breadfruit as breadfruit chips. Let's talk a bit about how to prepare this breadfruit. What you first want to do is get a breadfruit. That's the first thing you want to do, guys. Now, depending on where you are, you may have to go to your Asian market to get the breadfruits. Sometimes it may come already pre-cut and frozen, which saves you all the hassle. If you live in the tropics, go and ask your neighbor if the neighbor got breadfruit. All right, so step number 1, you want to make sure that you clean your breadfruit, okay? You just want to rinse it off with some water, and then you have to peel it. And then you want to chop it in half. So once you chop it in half, you want to go ahead, guys, and then cut them into chips. So as you guys can see here, here's what it looks like. You can cut them in any shape or size. I just wanted that whole chip French fry look. Well, these don't look like French fries, but I tried something. And then you're going to heat up some oil and you're going to fry until they're golden brown. So to make our chunky guacamole, very simple ingredients, guys. You're going to need ripe avocados. You cannot use half ripe. You can't use not ripe avocados. The avocados have to be ripened. All right, so once you got your avocados, you're also going to need white onions, diced and also grated. You're also going to need red tomatoes, a red bell pepper, fresh thyme, and fresh parsley. You're also going to need a lime. You're also going to need sea salt. And then optional, if you want a little kick, you can add some cayenne pepper to this. And that's all you need, guys. So let's start making this. So what you want to do first is that you want to go ahead and you want to mash your avocado until it's nice and smooth. All right, you can use a masher or you can be like me, use a fork. It's entirely up to you guys. After that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to add your lime. So I would have cut the lime in half and I'm just squeezing all the juice in there. Then I'm going to mix this all together. Then I'm going to go ahead and add all those chopped ingredients and mix until combined. Then we add our salt. And then lastly, like I said, but optional, I added some cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat. And that's it. So this is what it should look like. So you want to get a nice plate and a nice bowl and you want to add your fries and you want to add your guacamole. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys did, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome aboard. Click that like and subscribe button. And do me a favor, guys, comment in the description below and let me know if you guys knew what the mystery food was before I even revealed it. And I hope you guys give this a try. Let me know how it goes. Until next week, guys. Bye-bye.